To download Topaz AI on a PC or laptop, start by searching for Topaz AI on Google. The first link that appears should be the official Topaz Labs website, which can be identified by its URL, topazlabs.com. Click on this link to access the website, where you can learn about the various software products they offer. To initiate the download process, click on the two lines at the top right corner of the web page. Then select Downloads from the menu that appears. This will take you to a page where you can view all the available products, including Video AI, Photo AI, and Gigapixel. Each product has its own system requirements, which can be viewed by clicking on the product and then opening the System Requirements page. It's essential to check these requirements before downloading to ensure compatibility with your device. Once you've confirmed that your device meets the necessary requirements, you can proceed to download the desired product by selecting the correct operating system, such as Windows or Mac. The download will start automatically, and once it's complete, you can open the file and begin the installation process. By following these steps, you should be able to successfully download and install Topaz AI on your PC or laptop.